Friend, today I am going to present about the topic on ecological niche. That is, in ecology, it defines the role and position of species. Has in its environment, and this concept was first introduced by Charles Elton in 1927. According to him, it defines a functional status of an organism in a community. After that, Joseph Grinnell also described about this niche and enhanced his ideas of Eldon. So niche having some important characteristics. What are the important characteristics? It is sum of the total of all the biological, physical, chemical, factors that a species need. This niche is unique for every species. That means each of the species in our ecosystem having a different types of niche, and the knowledge of the niche help us to understand for the conservation of ecosystem. Now we will discuss about its type. Based on the characteristics or the ecological niche has been divided into four major categories, like spatial, or it is also known as the habitat niche. It refers to the living place of a particular species, that is known as the spatial or habitat niche. What is determined? It is the living place trophic or food needs. That is, two species live in the same habitat, but their fooding behavior is different. And based on that, it has been classified as the trophic or the food needs. Reproductive needs. In case of the reproductive needs, that is related to the mating requirement or mating behavior of the species. And the last one is the hypervolume or the multi-dimensional needs. That is, some of the species having the same habitat, but for the requirement of the abiotic factors like food, air, minerals, they overlap with the other species. So this hypervolume or multidimensional needs can be divided into two categories. If we consider a diagram, the horizontal scale representing the temperature and vertical scale representing the relative humidity. And this is a one habitat and there is another habitat. So one is known as the fundamental needs, and the second one is called as the release needs. In fundamental needs, when the species doesn't face competition belongs to other species, and these needs specially affected by the abiotic factors. Whereas the released needs, this space may confine the smallest volume, like here, under the biotic constraints. It is determined by the species competition. So this is all about this. Thank you for watching this video.